In this video, we will learn how to add an attribute to the Active Directory list that is missing. When adding an Active Directory attribute from the profile editor, some attributes are not shown in the attributes list. Let's get started. First, log into your Okta admin dashboard, then go to the Directory tab and click on Profile Editor. Next, go to Directories, then select the profile you want to add the Active Directory attribute to. Click on Add Attribute and refresh the attribute list. This will reach out to the Active Directory and pull an updated attribute list. Now you should have the Active Directory attribute that you want to apply to a profile. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.